Okay, so let's talk about how to count how many rebars we need for a project. So the picture on the right you can draw for any of your examples, or you can kind of just do the outline. There's also a shortcut that I want to see if you can figure out. I will tell you later, but I'm going to give you a minute to try to figure it out on your own. Okay, so let's start with our horizontal bars. So rebars come in 10-foot sections. So I'm going to buy some 10-foot bars. So if I buy some 10-foot bars for my horizontals, each of these, each rebar is placed 2 feet apart. So I'm going to start down here at the bottom. So there's 6, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's one 10-foot section. So if I look at how many 10-foot sections I can lay down, right? I'm going all the way across. This part nobody seems to have an issue with. Sometimes counting we do. We got to count each red line. So not red line to red line, but each red line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 10-foot sections for my horizontals. Now if we notice, what we have left is 2, 4, 6. So I need a 6-foot section. In reality, I really need 6 feet 2 inches. I need about 2 inches or so that there can be some kind of overlap. We don't want our rebars to be touching, we don't want them end to end. We want them with some overlap so that there can be a tie there. All right, so I'm going to need, we're just going to call them 6-foot sections, so we don't have to write 6 foot 2 inches, but we know that they're 6 foot 2 inches. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 10 of those. Okay, now let's look at our verticals. So if I'm going vertically, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so that's one 10-foot section, right? I'm going to start with my 10-footers. Then there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my verticals, I only need 9. Then what do we have left? We have 2, 4, 6, 8. So remember, it's really 8 foot 2 inches, but we're just going to say 8 foot to keep things simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need 9. Okay? So I want you to notice that your horizontal bars, so our horizontal bars are 16 foot. Our vertical bars are 18 foot. Okay? So that's how long. So we have a 10 and a 6, and we have a 10 and an 8. So I need to figure out my totals. So I have to buy rebar in 10-foot sections. Well, if I buy 10 6-foot sections, I'm going to have to buy 10-foot sections and cut them down to 6 feet. So I'm going to end up wasting about 3 foot 10 inches. But I'm going to have to buy a new bar for each one because we don't want to piecemeal a bunch of different ones together. So I'm going to end up purchasing 20 here and 18 over here. So that's going to give me a total of 38 bars. Now, if our side was shorter, okay, if we only needed, this is going to be an if, right? If we needed a 4-foot section, then we can get 2 out of a 10-foot bar. So then I wouldn't have to buy a new bar for each one. So just be aware of waste and what you need for rebar. But that's the basics on how to calculate that. So my question for you is, can you find the correlation between that and that? So think about that. There's a correlation there. What is it?